For these harder later equations, the principle is the same, but with the brackets it gets a little bit complicated in terms of adding up how many atoms there are in each molecule. So if we look here to start off with at MgOH2, the 2 is outside a bracket, so what that means is that I've got one magnesium stuck to two OH groups, happen to be called hydroxide. So it might look something like magnesium stuck to an oxygen with a hydrogen on it. Magnesium stuck to an oxygen with a hydrogen on it there. So in this one molecule here, I've got 2 oxygens and 2 hydrogens. Try and do the same thing for this one here. So this time I've got a magnesium, and it's got stuck to it 2 of this whole thing. It's got 2 NO3s. So I might have an N there, O, O, O. Same thing here. So you can see that for this one here, I've got 1 magnesium, 2 oxygens, and 2 hydrogens. For this one here, I've got 1 magnesium, I've got 2 nitrogens, but overall I have got 6 oxygens. So that's how we have to add up how many we've got on each side of those. So let's do that quickly. Get rid of all this. So same as before, we are going to pop this in a little table. Ooh, pen. So we've got hydrogen, we've got nitrogen, we've got oxygen, we've got magnesium. So on this side we've got 1, 2, 3 hydrogens. Let's do another colour so we can balance it out. We've got 3 hydrogens. We have got 1 nitrogen, got 3, 4, 5 oxygens, and we've got 1 magnesium. On this side we have got 2 hydrogens, we've got 2 nitrogens, we got 6, 7 oxygens. See, because there's one on its own there, don't forget that. And we have got 1 magnesium. Right, we can see there are a couple of issues here. We need to have more oxygen on the left, and we need to have more nitrogen on the left. Only way to do that really is to double up the HNO3. That's where I'm going to start. So in red I'm going to put a 2 there. That changes this from, changes the hydrogen, sorry you can't see me pointing, changes the hydrogen from 3 to 4, because that big 2 in front means that I don't have 1 there. I've got 2 there, add it onto the 2 that we've got over there for 4. I've now got 2 nitrogens. I've now got 1, 2, 6, 7, 8 oxygens over there, and I've still got 1 magnesium because I haven't played with that. Try and balance that on this side. Looks like the quickest way to do that is just to add on another oxygen. So if I, wrong colour. If I double that, now I've got 2 of those, that becomes 4, which matches. This one matches already because we haven't played with that left-hand side there. I've got another oxygen there, that becomes 8, which matches. Magnesium, 1 was always 1, that's fine. So we can balance that out like this by adding in the 2 here and the 2 there. Hope that helps. Have a go.